So in this KOHO Financial tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to buy Ethereum here on at KOHO Financial. So once the KOHO Financial app is opened up, make sure in the bottom left you're on the home page here. So if you're on accounts or payments, etc., go to the bottom left and press home. Then at the top where there's this bar, go ahead and press on invest and then press on explore crypto. Once you're here on the crypto page, you can go ahead and view different crypto assets. In this case, you want to buy Ethereum. So under most popular for me, I would just go ahead and press Ethereum. You can also press on see all and then press Ethereum this way or search it up. But I'm going to go ahead and type and press on Ethereum here. Then where it says buy and sell, you want to buy it. So go ahead and obviously press buy. Once you're here, you have to go ahead and get approved to trade crypto here, I guess to invest into crypto. So once you have those steps completed and you're able to offer to this page right here, you can actually go ahead and proceed with the buying of Ethereum. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to buy Ethereum on KOHO Financial. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.